I shared this video a month ago, and now it has over 1 million views. Initially, it wasn't doing well, so I had to change the title and thumbnail twice. Let me explain it to you. In this video, I'll create a new one from scratch, aim for at least 1 million views, and show you how much money I made from it. Most YouTube gurus will tell you, oh, your niche isn't that good, or your video doesn't have a good thumbnail, and blah blah blah. The thing is, it doesn't matter at all. You just need to stay consistent and create great storytelling so viewers don't get bored. Also, due to quick video checks nowadays, many people have a short attention span. You should edit your video in a way that adds something new each second, like a text change or picture change, as I am doing right now. We will go from finding the video idea to writing the script and adding the voiceover. As Mark Twain once said,
"The secret of getting ahead is getting started. The secret of getting started is breaking your complex, overwhelming tasks into small, manageable tasks and then starting on the first one."
So let's begin with the first one right now. How to choose a great video idea. It's so simple. Just keep an eye out for trends in your niche. So lately, it was the Golden Globes. Now, I'm going to check Google Trends for a new event that fans are excited about, and I found 2 so far. First idea is about the fact that Taylor Swift had this serious-looking face, expressing her displeasure with a particular joke directed at her. The second video idea is about Selena Gomez whispering something into Taylor Swift's ears, and everyone thinks she is saying, "I told Timothy to take a picture, but Kylie Jenner said no, and he didn't accept."
Wow.
I am intrigued by the second piece of news, so I'll stick with this one. Another thing, guys, if you don't get excited and curious to watch your video, or even work on it, nobody else will watch. But seriously, I'm curious right now for some gossips. And remember, it's all about the energy you put out there. If you're sloppy and just in it for the money, it won't go viral. But if you take it step by step, enjoy the process, you'll have great energy and attract many viewers to your channel. Now, you might say, what's there to enjoy about editing? Well, you have to do it, so why complain? Editing is like cooking. You might not enjoy the chopping and dicing, but the final dish is worth the effort. Now, when it comes to scripting a video, the first thing you need to focus on is creating a strong hook to make viewers curious and stop scrolling. For instance, imagine the scandalous secrets whispered between Taylor and Selena Gomez during their late-night chats. Get ready for a front-row seat to the untold stories behind these celebrity moments as we decode the unspoken language of Hollywood's elite. The goal here is to decode the unspoken language of Taylor Swift's gossip sessions with Selena Gomez. Now let's talk about the second step, voiceover. You have 2 choices. You can use your own voice and read the script, or you can use a cool AI text-to-speech tool, like I'm doing right now. I personally prefer Elevenlabs, but there are other websites out there too. Pick a voice, or customize it yourself by pasting your script. To make the voiceover sound great, throw in some capital letters, dots, spaces, and commas. It adds different tones and feelings to your narration. Ready to sound awesome. Once you have your voice, head to your editing software. Right now, I'm using Capcut, but I also use Final Cut Pro. Add your voiceover there, and now we move on to step 3, which is my favorite. This step is all about finding and putting together clips, images, and memes. I usually search on Google and YouTube for my celebrity channel content. Remember, keep video clips under 15 seconds and always have a voiceover to be safe with YouTube. For extra videos and pictures, Pixabay is my go-to. Start by making sure all your clips fit the screen nicely. As you edit, use lots of transitions like fades or slides to smoothly connect different parts of your video. Also, add cool effects like zooming in and out to make your video visually appealing. When it comes to sounds, if you're just starting, go to YouTube's library. You'll find things like whoosh, laughter, long songs, beep, and tension sounds. Editing is your chance to make everything flow seamlessly and keep viewers hooked from start to finish. Finally, export your video. Pray first and say, "This video will do so great," and then share it. After 2 days, this video only got 1,000 views, but right now, it's growing faster. So, if it happens that your video doesn't get many views at first, don't get discouraged, because that is a sign that you have to go on and create another better video. Don't forget, you are just one video away from being a successful YouTuber. Just as the saying goes, brick by brick, it builds a huge wall and eventually a magnificent masterpiece. So continue laying those bricks, creating content step by step, and witness the growth of your own impressive creation. Never forget, if you set your mind to something, you can do it.